months ago, I started reading Berserk, and I thought to myself, why not make a game? Fast forward, and we've built the Black Swordsman, fixed the physics, and nailed the combat weight. But now it's finally time to wrap this project up, so I can release it to you guys completely for free. But there's just one massive problem. You see, I was really struggling to make the game actually feel fun. The combat didn't flow smoothly. Zodd's AI was, mentally impaired, and I felt completely stuck. I was actually thinking of dropping the project. So I reached out to the homie Clyde. If anyone knew how to fix this mess, it would be him.
I can share my screen if you want.
Yeah, let's go crazy, bro. I'm excited, man. I'm excited.
I know, same. I'm nervous, bro, for some reason.
Nerves, nah, I get that here, man.
So I'll press play and then I'm better nervous to show you what I've done, man.
Bro, this is sick, bro.
Alright, so Alright, hold on. There's not enough attacks in it. There's not enough attacks for the enemy. Hold on, I need to turn this down because it's very loud for me. Alright, but listen, there's not enough attacks for the enemy, but as I said, it's just placeholders for now. Alright, watch this.
Bro, this is a billion times better than what I've been doing. It took you like a week. You did more in a week than I did in a month and a half, 2 months, bro. Yes, I know I'm glazing. Clyde had made a better vertical slice than I did in a month and a half. I mean, just take a look at this comparison. I mean, just look at it. The difference is night and day. Subscribe, please, thank you. Now with Clyde cooking up some heat with the code, I had to make sure I hold up my end. Usually, I make my models completely from scratch in Blender using basic UV spheres. But to save time, I used a 3D scan. I'm so sorry, mate, for what I'm about to do to you. I pushed and pulled the geometry to get his face closer to Zodd. I played around with his lips, his nose, and his eyes. Afterwards, I took the Maharaga sculpt I did for the JJK project, which you should definitely check out after watching this video, by the way, and reprojected it onto Zodd to save time. After the reprojection, I took him to the dentist, gave him some clothes, gave him hair and textures, and after a couple hours of grinding, Zodd's model was complete. Now, whilst I was grinding out Zodd, Clyde was working on the code too.
Alright, bro, so little quick update. We've set up a slow-mo. This attack here is going to be something that we can use to push the enemy away. So I've got this widget here. If I'm here attacking this guy, and let's say he was about to do his AoE attack, right? You should be familiar with it. Yeah, I can just push him away instead of getting hit with that AoE attack. And right now the gun move or the cannon move is on a 15-second cooldown. If you have your cannon, no matter what the enemy's doing, you can push him away. That's a little update.
If you're interested in a more technical breakdown, Clyde's dropped a full video on his channel. So this is it. After starting this project a couple months ago, it's finally out to play. If you want to play this project right now, the build is available completely for free on my brand new Patreon. Just sign up as a free member and you'll instantly get access. Now, free members get access to these projects as soon as the videos come out. But if you want to watch the devlogs and play the games 48 hours early alongside other benefits, consider backing on a paid tier. Here is the Seki and Clyde Berserk fan game.